Alright, this is gonna be the lifts at the IKEA Katowice in Katowice, Poland. Oh Jesus. 3,000 kilograms, 33 people, 2019. And that's it. And now this is a Schindler 5500 at the IKEA store in IKEA, Poland. I know there's a lot of people, but we could do a little quick cameras everywhere. And yep, we got the Schindler 5500.
Ja nie wiem, czy tu jest magazyn? Tak, tak. Tak?
Alright. That's it.
No, tutaj... Ale jeszcze 4 kibelki, no nie wiem, to już chyba na tym domu, w przedpokoju.
And now we have another Schindler lift at the IKEA shopping center and IKEA store in Katowice, Poland. 32,000 kilograms, 42 people, 2017. We're gonna go back to one. Panel system here. Here's a quick cam. And yeah. And that's it. And a quick ride of this Schindler lift. It's the same lift, capacity 3,200 kilograms, 42 people, 2017. And here we are at ground. And that's it. It's the same lift always. And that's it. And here's one more bonus for the end of the video. Here we have the Schindler escalator. Goes straight down. That looks like a, you guessed it, that looks like a airport. It doesn't look like a IKEA at all. Wow. And it's quite slow too, but yeah, we already know. And that's it.